So myself, Adnan Akhtar, I am an analytical thinker and a problem solver. I joined Inception U to learn web and mobile applications development so that I can work with the clients to solve their business problems.
Good morning. My name is Emmanuel Nguse. I'm a creative and detail-oriented IT professional focused on data science, and I joined Inception for its amazing project-based learning model and to further enhance my agile software development skills.
Hello, my name is Paul Newman, and I joined Inception U to learn more about the back end and data solutions with web development.
Hello, everyone. My name is Derek Young. I think of myself as an effective communicator and problem solver, and I joined Inception U to pursue my interests about programming and full stack development. So of course, before we get on with the presentation, we'd like to give a huge shout out to our Scrum Master, Greg Fenton, and product owner, Joanna. Greg has been coding for over 25 years, and Joanna has been working closely with the Calgary downtown strategy team, and both have helped us tremendously in making this project. Definitely without their knowledge, we wouldn't be able to accomplish what we've done here.
The downtown of Calgary has been affected by the economy, high vacancies, and the pandemic. As the people of Calgary transition out of the pandemic into a normal life, they mentally adjusted to a limited lifestyle. In the end, the people of Calgary are unsure of where and what businesses are downtown, and they need to be reintroduced to the downtown area. There needs to be more community interaction to change this pandemic-based mentality. With this, the future current of downtown needs to be revitalized and to encourage people to get to know their city once again. Things to do, where to go, events that are happening, and attractions to see.
So we came up with a task-based mobile game where tasks are completed over a period of time at specific locations in downtown Calgary. The tasks are completed at historical buildings, special events, and attractions, which would motivate and engage more people to the physical spaces. Through AmongYYC, residents, new residents, and tourists have the opportunity to get to know our beautiful city and thus increase people's flow to the places and increase business activities even in the after hours or even after events such as stampedes that we just enjoyed. So in addition to donating coins earned to good cause and getting into prize raffles, our app also have a voting functionality which will incentivize players to get engaged more for our subsequent tasks.
In AmongYYC, the players play the game to complete weekly tasks at assigned locations in Calgary downtown. Tasks are open from Thursday morning, 8 a.m. till Sunday evening, 6 p.m. When in the game, the player's location is tracked by the GPS for them to be able to complete the task only when they are at each task location. For completing tasks, players get coins. A trickster can appear on any of these locations, which results in reduced coins award for that and subsequent tasks they complete. However, on Sunday evening after 6 p.m. when they vote, the players can vote for the trickster correctly based on the hint provided to them, and they can collect bonus points for the weekly earnings. The players enter a weekly raffle to earn cash prizes based on the coins earned in the week. And players can exchange coins with donations to charity organizations, which is to be fulfilled by the sponsors. And let's go ahead and start a video demo of our app.
Is there anything to do right now in downtown Calgary? I know, I can play AmongYYC. Oh wow, there's a task here at the library. Let's go complete it. That was fun. Let's check the other tasks that are available. Hey, the Calgary Tower and the Bulb building are pretty close by. Let's go complete them. Oh no! The trickster's here! I've been eliminated! No!
Thank you, Derek, for showing us the video. So let's go ahead and show our app interface in the emulator. So this is the app running in Android emulator in PC. As a new user, you can register right in the app once you're logged in. This is the main page of our app where you lands in, and you hit the play game button to enter the game lobby. The game lobby shows the list of all the tasks to be completed in the ongoing week, and each task location has been marked in the map. You can open the task to check the task details, but won't be able to complete it unless you are at the task location, as you have seen in the video demo. Completing each task increases your score, and the bar on the top indicates your progress for the week. Now I will hand over to Derek, who will show us a few other features in the app.
Okay, so first let's go back to the home page. And in the home page, we can talk about the voting. So voting occurs on Sunday from 6 p.m. to midnight, and each user gets one vote. And if they vote correctly, they can receive extra points. So let's actually go in and vote. So you can see here, we have possible tricksters for the week. And then we can also see we have a hint here, and it says, I love the color purple and I fight floods. So I'm just gonna go ahead and vote for Mayor Nenshi and hit submit, and you can see we gained some extra points. You can also see we have our game stats page. You can see how much score you've gotten this week, whether you're eliminated, and how much tasks you have left. We also have a prizes and tokens page, so you can see what tier of raffle you have, depending on how much score you have. And also a game rules page. You can just see the game rules here. And then also we have a donation feature. So if I click here, it'll bring me to the donation page. And let's just say I want to donate 100 coins. And then there you go. Thank you for your donation. And I think that's all we have for the mobile app right now. I'm going to pass it over to Emmanuel, and he's going to demo our website.
That's so nice. Thanks, Derek. So we have also built a web app to configure and manage our mobile game so that admins can perform various administration tasks. So if we see, we can log in as an admin and the dashboard appears. So we are able to see like how many users have been playing our game, and how many tasks we have, how many coins we have gathered, and how many have been donated. And we can also see the community engagement is like is shown here in this beautiful graph. Then I want to add as an admin a new task. So if I go to the task, yes, I can set up a new task which will take place at the Olympic Plaza. And we have suppose we have a QR code to scan at winners by the reception side. Then we are putting all the information. Since our app is geo-fenced or location triggered, we need to put our longitude and latitude for that specific task and put up the score. And once we have done, I can see my list of tasks which are currently being done. And if I hit add and click on refresh, I can see my new task. Just like this, if we go back to our dashboard, I can add and manage my our tricksters, users, and other extra settings. That is our admin dashboard to manage the game. Over to you, Paul.
Here are all of the technology that were used to create the mobile app and the web page interface for the app. For a better user experience, we use React Native Paper, which was used for the mobile app, and React Material UI, which is used for the web page. For the database, we used the Firestore database to centralize the collection between the mobile app and the web page interface. For development, the BlueStacks emulator and Expo were consistent for each team member. This proved to be essential in adding code with good results. Communication was essential for having deliverables and progress. Having daily Scrum meetings online in Discord streamlined the development process.
So one of the biggest challenges we faced was to understand the scope of the project when we started working on that. And the main challenges were how the game flow should be and what type of tasks should we include. However, a more frequent communication with the product owner and between the team greatly helped to understand this vision. Another challenge was learning and implementing new technologies than what we had learned earlier in the program in projects 1 and 2. But our facilitators and Scrum Master greatly helped in this regard to overcome this challenge. For testing the app while development, running it on Android Studio emulator was challenging due to the app integration with it and its efficiency. But using BlueStacks and running on our mobile phones greatly helped to overcome this problem. Because of these challenges, it was also challenging to complete the project before the deadline. But with the great teamwork and everybody putting their extra effort, made it possible that we completed the project ahead of time.
Okay, so what's next for this project? Some of the things we'd like to add are definitely more variety of tasks. So some of our ideas would be like augmented reality, or maybe like a puzzle that you have to solve when you're doing the task. Another thing we'd like to add is we'd like to incorporate more uses for the coins you earn. So for example, you could exchange a certain amount of coins for like maybe a free coffee at a local coffee shop. Another thing also is our team, we would like to add some sort of team play and collaboration. So maybe in-app messaging. And a big one for us would be integrating this with social media platforms. So for example, we could have people tweeting about who the trickster is, or tweeting what task they're currently doing, stuff like that. And that's the end of our presentation. You guys are all now eliminated.